Now they are going to open the gift which I have recently given them. Please open and show your curiosity to
This
our
is
audience.
a really good pen. Oh my god.
Which pen is it, dear?
This is Parker Beta Neo. Oh my
Very nice.
god, this is really worthy. Thank you, ma'am. This is a very good gift. Let's see this boy's gift.
See? Shreya, are you able to open or not?
Let me open for you.
Yes. Very tough. Yes.
You can observe my children's curiosity.
Wow. It is very beautiful content. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. That's why I have given you this writing weapon to write correct answers and don't do mistakes with this writing weapon. Wish. Thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Wish you all happy Dashera.
You also wish.
I also. Happy Dashera.
Thank you. Joyful
Bye-bye.
Dashera.